Okay, so this is gonna be a walk in the nature. So I think this is the most archetypical. Look at that beautiful light right there. Ooh. Thing one can do as a human. And here in Florida, there's, for example, the Everglades. This is the very first time that I ever walked for hours. Hours. And there's just something that switched. Like I felt like a boop. Something flipped. And I think it's just because we have it in us as humans to be walking around in nature. It is a garden. And I can't wait to see what we do with this vast spaces of nature. Like for some reason we all kind of got together in like little tight spaces. But this is what's medicine. Like if you have some nature close to you, give it a shot. It's very healthy, very medicinal. Highly recommend it. Anyway, just a short video. Many blessings. Humahum. Whoop, whoop, whoop.